Hey folks, Shane the Shark Man here for Guarantee RV in Junction City, coming at you right now with a 2020 Thor 4 Winds motorized coach. Starting out, we got some pretty good storage underneath all the way around. We also have a full driver's side wall slide. This thing is massive, but it is excellent. Opens it up real nice in here, and also a full room slide topper, which is great. Moving forward, the motor in this is an E450, and that's again the Ford Thor 4 Winds. And here we have tinted windows all the way around. On your front porch here, we've got a very nice 16-foot awning. All automatic, of course. You've got awning lights on there as well. And then stepping on the inside, we've got a 3-step coming in. Also, the interior, cream colored and tan. Very, very nice. Directly above the cab, which is pretty spacious as well, we've got a sleeping area. Probably sleep 3 comfortably. Or you can stow your gear, put your best buddies up there, your pets. Moving back, we have on the left side a sleeper sofa, and then it's pretty spacious, very nice, no rips. I mean, it's in great condition. And of course, it's a 2020. It comes with a full 1-year manufacturer warranty. In the center here, we've got a nice dinette bench setup, 2 benches, 1 table, which also folds down into a bed. Lots of storage underneath that. A TV directly above that, which is also across from the sofa, so you can watch TV while you're eating or while you're just lounging around. Okay. Also, we've got in the kitchen area, it's what you call true induction cooktop. It's got 2 burners and then 1 on the left side. We've also got a high point convection microwave oven, and along with a very nice gooseneck spouted sink. Coming back to the bedroom, you've got 6 drawers in the hallway and a wardrobe on the right. You've also got your bathroom on the left-hand side, and it's got a full shower in it. This bathroom is huge. You got to see this. All right, also now moving into the bedroom, we've got, this is a queen-size nice bed. Lots of cabinet space up top, vent directly above the bed, nice shades in it, and you also have a very large wardrobe closet, and it's spacious. So, I mean, folks, think about it. This is the best and safest way to travel now. You've got your own motorhome, self-contained, and I'll tell you what, when I tell you the price, feeding frenzy! Again, you got to come see me, Shane the Shark Man at Guarantee RV in Junction City. They'll give you the contact information. Just get a hold of me, and we'll have lunch, have a cup of coffee, whatever, and we can talk turkey. Thank you much.